Does cats like balls? Let's find out. I guess they do. Let's see when he gets cross. Give me that ball. You want it? Whoa, I guess they don't like balls. Let's find out. Where did he go? Not over there. Right over here. Let's go. Whoa. 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 Does cats like me? Let's find out. Does cats like hand? Let's find out. Hold on. I guess they do. You took my thing. I don't remember it. What is that thing in front of me? Oh, yeah. It's a cage. We can lock them up. What? It's not working. There it goes. Ah! You're trapped. You're trapped. How did you open it?
What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
It's over his water bowl. That looks so gross. Hello guys, this is me, Gucci. I'm back with another video. What? Dead.